Hey everyone! New season, new batch of DIY projects to make. I'm Kriz and I'm going to help you get crafty. Today we're spicing up our wall with bubble wrap texture. Sounds complicated, but it's really simple to do. Are you ready? Let's get started. We always start with a primed wall, and in my experience, BOYSEN Permacoat Flat Latex White 701 is the best primer. Prepare the wall surface. Clean the wall, cover surfaces you don't want painted, cover edges with tape. Take note, always paint using the M pattern, and once you're done, let it dry for 2 hours. I've already cut my bubble wrap to the size of my roller. Now I'm going to place a strip of double-sided tape on one end, and then I'm gonna wrap my paint roller like a burrito. We're done! Here's a neat trick. For some paint roller DIYs, you may reuse your old rollers. Brush a generous amount of BOYSEN Permacoat Latex Pleasant Stream onto a piece of scrap wood. Use the paint on the scrap wood to evenly coat your bubble wrap roller. Paint the wall in an upward motion, making sure to avoid any gaps. After some trial and error, I've realized that it's easier to get the paint on even if you apply in small portions. And now you have a new bubble wrap textured wall. Decorate it with your favorite photos and paintings. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. If you want more DIY content, check out Studio B and myboysen.com. See you in the next one!